Hey kids, welcome back to Art with Mrs. Allen. Since this week is Teacher Appreciation Week and I'm an art teacher, I would love to teach you how to color a realistic apple. Apples come in lots of different colors, so this is a great project for you to practice using colors to create dimension and form. For this project, we're going to need a pencil, a piece of paper, and of course something to color with. Remember, if I'm going too fast, to pause the video and to just have fun. So grab your supplies and let's get started. Start your apple by drawing a circular shape with a U shape near the center, and then draw a stem with two parallel lines. Using your lightest color first, create unique yellow patches on your apple. Now use lime green to fill in and blend the yellow hue, fanning it out around the shape. Using magenta, color in all of your apple. Make sure to fill in the patches between the yellow and green. Now use your yellow pencil again, but this time to blend, coloring right over top of the magenta. You can do the same step with green to create smoother color transitions. Now use a deep red shade to define the shape and darkly color the edges of your apple. Use a brown pencil to color the stem. You can also use your brown pencil to darken and blend the edges and create stripy details. Amp up the dimension in your apple by using a black colored pencil where you see the darkest shadows. Use your red and black pencil in tandem to blend. finally, use a white color pencil to create a few smooth highlights. Thanks for watching, and a special thank you to our teachers. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe.